POS system explained. A POS system integrates software and hardware to process transactions, manage orders, and handle payments. Unlike traditional cash registers, modern POS systems include advanced features such as inventory management, employee scheduling, and real-time order tracking. It acts as the central hub for sales, accessible from the counter or handheld devices. Do you need a POS system? Whether you run a restaurant, café, or food truck, a POS system can be invaluable. It simplifies order management, tracks tables, and provides mobile options for taking and processing orders. With handheld devices, staff can take orders directly at the table, speeding up service and reducing errors by sending details straight to the kitchen. Advantages of a POS system. POS systems are compact, modern, and comply with regulatory standards. They streamline daily operations by integrating employee management, order processing, and payment handling. Self-service kiosks are also available, reducing staff workload. The mobility of most POS systems allows for efficient service, as servers can use handheld devices to manage orders, reducing movement and speeding up the process. These mobile systems also improve customer experience, allowing patrons to pay at the table, increasing their satisfaction. Advanced systems also include features like table management, track reservations, and organized seating plans. Analytics, detailed sales analysis, and digital cash book tracking. Flexibility, expand systems with handheld devices and self-service kiosks for staff and customer convenience. Marketing integration, loyalty programs, and digital vouchers can be linked directly to the POS. Inventory management, manage stock levels, orders, and inventory efficiently through the system. Employee management, schedule shifts and monitor staff hours with personalized employee profiles. When is a POS system useful? For sit-down restaurants, POS systems enhance operational efficiency. For simpler setups like food trucks, compact, mobile POS solutions are ideal. These systems support mobile payments, improving customer satisfaction with convenient, contactless options. Types of POS systems. There are several POS systems available for the restaurant industry. Here's how they work. Digital sales software. Ensure you choose restaurant-specific software for maximum functionality. Many systems are cloud-based, providing real-time data access and secure digital record keeping. Hardware integration. POS systems can be set up on PCs or tablets, offering mobility by detaching tablets for flexible use. You can also configure your system with additional components, like receipt printers and card readers, creating a full, mobile-friendly setup. Both open and closed POS systems are available. Open systems allow flexibility in hardware combinations, while closed systems provide a complete package, including cloud-based software, fixed and portable terminals, and other necessary hardware, ensuring data security and minimizing errors.